There can be several reasons why a person's belly may keep getting bigger. 1. Overeating. Consuming more calories than the body needs can lead to weight gain, including an increase in belly fat. This can happen if a person regularly eats more food than their body requires, or if they frequently eat high-calorie foods that are high in sugar, fat, or both. 2. Lack of physical activity. Regular exercise can help to burn calories and reduce fat, including belly fat. If a person is not physically active, they may be more likely to gain weight, including belly fat. 3. Stress. Chronic stress can cause the body to release hormones such as cortisol, which can lead to weight gain, including an increase in belly fat. Stress can also cause people to engage in behaviors such as emotional eating, which can contribute to weight gain. 4. Genetics. Some people may be more prone to gaining weight in their midsection due to their genetic makeup. This can make it more difficult for them to lose belly fat, even if they eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly. 5. Medical conditions. Certain medical conditions can cause a person to gain weight, including belly fat. For example, conditions such as polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, and insulin resistance can lead to weight gain. It's important to speak with a healthcare provider if you are concerned about any medical conditions that may be contributing to weight gain.